YouTube. What it do, baby? It's your boy, Mr. Skin City. We back in live effect with another video. I know what y'all thinking. They're like, damn, Skin, where you been? You fell off. No, sir. Your boy just had to move. Your boy been moving, getting readjusted in a new spot. But we back on this fashion shit. First quarter almost over. Today I'm gonna sit down. I gotta sew, make some pants for my homie Kid the Monster. And I'm gonna just tell y'all about the progress I've been making and, you know, the next step for Skin City, man. Yeah, that's really it. We're gonna get into it. About to make some fire pants for the homies. Got an event coming up. It's a little custom work, but yeah, man. We're gonna get into it. Yeah, man. Don't be afraid to pivot. You know, your boy made a new transition. You gotta be able to pivot. So, you know, I'm locking back in. I'm back on the fashion shit. And yeah, man. About to flare some suit pants for the homie. Do a little custom work. And yeah, no, Skin City. We're gonna lock it in. Tell you about what I got planned for that. You know, it's getting hot outside. Gotta make a splash for the summer. This summer is the summer, so I'm about to make a splash. Hey yo, pause. I don't know about hey yo. But yeah, man, last few weeks your boy been moving, getting all my fashion shit moved in and out, all my personal stuff moved in and out. But yeah, man, in a new spot. You know, we're just getting adjusted. But yeah, man, I just want to kind of give like a more in-depth video this time around. More like some sewing yap. I don't know. I'm gonna think of a name to call it. But I just want to sit down. I'm gonna sew. Got to do this quick little project for my guy. And yeah, man, just kind of talk about, you know, the next steps. All right, squad. So first off with this sewing project, basically, I'm about to sacrifice this banger Juneteenth tee. Damn, English. Basically, I'm gonna sacrifice it so I can flare these suit pants for my boy, because that's what he wanted. Shout out my homie Kid the Monster, best dancer out. Literally. Dances on fucking the Strip. Michael MJ the One Show. Your boy goated. I really want to record this right now because I feel like it's gonna help keep me accountable. Like once I put it out on the internet, I can't lie about what I'm doing. So, all right. May, there's really nothing specific I want to work a drop around, but June, July is all NBA Summer League. So that means your boy has to cook some products up in the next 2 to 4 months to then get to some NBA players so they can market it. So I can make some bread off that. It's not about the bread, but I want them to market it so I can grow going into the third quarter, that August through September. And then, you know, that'll transition me into fourth quarter, which I have like 3 drops already mentally prepared for fourth quarter. So it's like, how can I do a drop in the next 2 months to kind of, you know, get some more momentum back, and then carry that momentum through the next 6 months, through the next 6 to 9 months, right? So that's the goal. And to lobby further into that point, right? It's like, not that I feel like I lost momentum, but definitely need to play this year a little bit better than I played the second half of last year, right? Because your boy dropped a fire cutoff. I'm gonna put it right here, a screenshot. However, I dropped it at the end of summer. So now this year I want to be more prepared for myself and my brand. I want to get ahead on everything. So realistically, I want to be like a year and a half ahead, because most fashion houses, they're showing you guys 2026 shit. They already got 2028 planned. They're looking at trends. They're looking at color patterns. They're looking at what used to be popping so it can be popping again. Especially after that whole 2016 wave, like everything's about to start spinning back. So my goal is to be, I mean to threaten you, sorry. These are my good scissors. My goal is just to be prepared for everything coming up in the next 9 months. So, you know, that means having some fire accessories for summer, having a fire, you know, key piece to transition into summer, like a fire tank, some shorts. I want to do a leather vest. Like there's so much that I'm thinking about that I want to do, and I really just gotta, you know, capitalize right now, because it's heating up out here, literally. It's like 95 degrees today. I'm starting to cut this up right now, and I realize this is like some real vintage. Like this is single stitch. Like I know that might not mean anything to some of y'all, but I'm sacrificing this for a good cause. Like this shit better get worn. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to homie Get the Monster. He probably got all the fire shit I've ever made. At least like 90% of it. I'm gonna pop some pieces on the screen right here while I cut this tee. And what you're seeing right now is just some of the stuff that I've made over the past years that I was like, you know what? Who should have this? Kid the Monster. Yep. So yeah, comment down below which piece was the most fire. I think they're all fire, obviously, because I made them. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know which one's fire. June, July, I gotta cook up. Then after that, it's gonna be a madhouse out there all summer. You know, then hopefully boy can transition that into the fall time. And some key things I want to work around in the fall time for Skin City is we got F1, very important. We have, you know, I don't love holiday drops, but you know, Halloween, of course, Black Friday, and then, you know, whatever we can get into for the holidays, basically just discounts on fire stuff. So yeah, it's the plot right now. And back to my earlier point, like, do I think my first official real manufactured drop, do I think that failed? I don't think it failed, but there's definitely some things I could have done better. And, you know, yes, I got some fire people wearing it. I'll put it right here. There's gonna be a screenshot having this video. I'm gonna put some of the homies and influencers rocking it right here. But it's like, okay, so I got these people wearing my stuff, but I didn't capitalize off that. You know, I didn't drag that into more marketing. But yeah, man, in the Big 26, we elevating. That's all we can do. That's all I can do. But yeah, a wise man once told me that failing to plan is planning to fail. So definitely make sure you're out there cooking up something, care about. Like I said, it's not about clothes. It's about anything in life. You're cooking up something you care about, just make sure you got a plan. You always gotta have a plan. Yeah, mud, I'm sitting here, obviously cooking up on the sewing machine, just racking my brain. It's like, how do I combine all these things I want to do and, you know, go as hard as possible at all of them. I'm trying to style, trying to run a brand, trying to still do some creative shit on the side. Gotta make the content. Like, it's definitely what they don't tell you about the grind. And I'm in a hard transition right now in my life. Like, not even just in fashion, in my life. So, you know, these last couple weeks, I ain't even thought about clothes. I've just been getting my life together, but, you know, it's all about hills and valleys, I guess. Hills and valleys. But yeah, man, you boys are back consistent. Might record more, I don't know. Might not. If you're seeing this right now, like this video. Share it. Subscribe. Show your boy some love. Follow me on Instagram. Whatever corner, it's one of these corners. I edit the videos and I still don't know what corner it is. One of these corners. Matter of fact, just follow on both. Just do me a solid. Follow on both. But yeah, big things coming. Definitely keep up with me on Instagram. Again, whatever corner. I'm getting way more consistent on there. I was doing some fire fit videos last year. You can check my reels. Some more of that coming. Definitely some styling coming. Yeah, just keep your eyes on your boy. It's Mr. Skin City. I'm out. For now. Maybe. Probably.
Damn, we back, baby. This is not a paid sponsorship. I wish it was. Tell them niggas to send my bread. It's your boy. I'm a cool dude. That boy Jack Gatz performing tonight. Yes,
sir.
So
We're back.
we're gonna slide down and pop out. Let's see what the vibes are. I feel like last time I recorded, I was talking about some shit that was probably really important. And now we're gonna turn this into a fuck shit vlog. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm dropping some new shit. I think it's grip loosening.
Pause.
That's what he said.
I don't know anything about. that. What do you say it was called?
Grip loosening. I can feel my grip loosening. Lose again.
Nah.
That's a new Jackass.
Hey, shout out my nigga Jackass though. Yeah, we gonna pop out. We going downtown.
That's a new Jackass.
On the pull through downtown Vegas. We going to Fremont.
Hey, we'll see you guys there.
All right, now we teleport. This is what I teleport.
Yeah, I can feel my grip loosening. I don't wanna lose again. At this point, I'm used to it. Yeah, I can feel my grip loosening. I don't wanna lose again. At this point, I'm used to it.
Sir, no, I'm hella dead. I should have stayed in the house. Fuck this. Nah, but we outside. On this good Sunday. I'm absolutely dead as hell. I was up early as fuck at the gym. About 7 a.m. sharp.
You're motivated.
Me and my brother outside though. Yeah, I did chest and try this morning.
Yeah.
At 8 a.m. sharp. It's like 7:30. Yeah, we out here. We downtown with it. I can't think of anything good that's ever happened when I've been down here. So let's hope some good shit happens today. I don't even know why I came in here. This nigga right here came here to lose. What with you? Oh, dude. That shit hit twice. Oh my god, hey kid, save your money. Don't even bet. That shit rigged as fuck.
That's All black. So 2 and all black and 1
I hate him.
They call Black 17.
Matter of fact, now that you say it out loud, shout out to that guy from Canada. Fuck him.
No.
Oh my god, he's locked in. Alright, now I'm finna pull up at this show. Tap in on my nigga Jackass. See what the vibes are.
Set up above it. You ain't show no love. Don't call me up. I call you worthless enough.
All y'all gon' get wrong, and nothing sticks to kiss Teflon. Done with trying to play nice with them. All these cold shoulders, I'm icing them. I see my eyes and I'm slicing them. Feel my grip loosening. I don't wanna lose again. At this point, I'm used to it. Hit with more bad news again. People, I can feel my grip loosening. Appreciate y'all.
Alright, gang and them, we back outside. Shout out my brother Jackass with Skin City on him. Shout out all this fucking copyright fucking up my vlog right now. Yeah, like I said, shout out my brother Jackass. Great performance. Shout out Jazzy Caliente. I don't know how to say it. Shout out Jazzy Caliente. I think it's Caliente. I'm gonna cut this part anyway, it doesn't fucking matter. But yeah, great performance. Popped out my brother. Right now I'm about to touch the crib. Yeah, that's really it. I'm just about to hit the crib. I ain't getting into shit else. It's fucking Sunday night in the city. I am beat like a fucking scrambled egg, buddy. Man, love my city. Just got the NBA team on the way. Shout out to that.
Right?
Yeah, appreciate my brother letting me style him. Great fit. Probably the best fit you've seen in this video. Definitely. Other than the fit I have on right now, but I'm not gonna show it to you. I'm actually gonna keep my fit from you. I know, unless you subscribe. If you subscribe, I'll show you my fit. But right now, I'm gonna keeping it. Yeah, so it's been your boy, Sin City Savior, aka Mr. Skin City, and I'm out for now. I'm a cool dude.
Yes, sir.
His grip is loosening. Pause.